MSRNDA 2007 here, and today is Wednesday, August 11th, 2021 at 1:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. And this will be the National Periodic Test for 2021. So, yeah. Hopefully I don't get copyright claim. I have a bunch of stations going, and they're all up moderately loud. So hopefully, with the mix of stuff, YouTube will get confused. So, 101.9 Twister KTST, 88.9 KLF KYLV, 98.9 KYS, 96.9. Forgot the call sign for that. 96.1 KXY or KXXY, 104.1 KMGL, 1520 KOKC, 94.7 The Brew, Sirius XM Channel 49 Soul Town, my phone for WEA, then 92.5 KOMA. So, yeah. Let's start with this mesoscale discussion. So, yeah. Come now.
I'm gonna be done. This way I'll never get copyright. My vision will be
No, I'm gonna turn off IM button notifications. IM bot, Instagram, what else? Twitter and YouTube notifications are being turned off. I do have test alerts enabled, by the way, on my phone. Those are enabled. I'm going to wait until the clock turns 1:19, then I'm going to power on the Vector. I know Sirius XM does relay it, because the 2019 one, I was with my grandfather, me, my mom, and my grandfather were in his vehicle, and in fact we were listening to that exact station, Channel 49, Soul Town, and they relayed the National Periodic Test. So, yeah. So I know they relay it. Yeah. We'll see who relays it. 119, go ahead and power on the Vector. $120. Here's WEA.
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual circumstance, an official network would explain the tone alert you heard at the start of the test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Authority to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, you heard at the start of this message. No action is required.
Mama is ready.
Never say until that girl got a hold of me. Eyes in the upper east. Saturday. This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. No action is required.
Okay.
Authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. No action is required.